diagnosis device has been worked on by many people, particularly Professor Elizabeth Hazeo Wexler from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. It is used to assist people who need help walking due to disconnections between their feet and ankles. It's a pneumatic device in which air is used to control the movement of the ankle for every step. Before having this device, those with ankle drop syndrome would have had to use more effort than normal to move their foot without dragging it along the ground. With the device, they are able to walk normally without their foot dragging the ground. The pump of this device is located on the bottom where the sole of the foot would generally hit the ground. It is engaged when the foot touches the ground to push air through the device to help a person walk normally. The air comes in through a one-way valve on the back of the ankle whenever more air is needed, and excess air exits through another valve on the back of the device whenever it needs to exit, in order for another step to occur. The pressure of this device is controlled through a one-way valve on the side of the device, above the pump. It releases air to reduce pressure, or it remains tight to contain pressure. It generally has around 150 kPa of pressure within the device. The cylinder of this device is composed of the cam stop, roller follower, guide rail, and linear actuator. They are used to control the movement of the ankle. The air comes into the cylinder to control the roller follower through tubes and makes the roller follower go to whichever side is needed to either stop or start the movement of the ankle. The roller follower controls the cam stop, which also helps to control the movement of the ankle. As they move, they also let exhaust out. This device works in a way that the person using it is the pump. When he or she steps, the pump is pressed down to push air through the tubes from the back of the foot to the cam stop, roller follower, guide rail, and linear actuator, or the cylinder. The air at the cylinder causes the ankle to move to the proper position to allow the step to take place. Then the pump is released again, and the air flows back to the back of the foot once again until the next step causes the pump to engage. This is my schematic. It shows where the air flows from the pump to the cylinder. The pump moves air through the tubes, past the pressure valve where pressure is controlled, to the valve that lets air out if there's too much air in the tubes. Then, the air moves past the valve where more air can be inserted if necessary. After it passes there, it moves to the cylinder to move it either one way or the other in order to control which direction the ankle moves. This device uses fluid power in an excellent way by allowing the device to take up the least amount of space necessary for the person who is using it. The fluid seems smooth flowing, as it should be in order to properly help the person walk. Generally, the device hasn't been made using fluid power. So using fluid power allows the ankle to be moved in two directions, whereas the versions without fluid power only allow the ankle to be moved in one direction.